Don't download Ahrefs Enterprise SEO and Marketing app before watching this. Before you download Ahrefs Enterprise, here's the truth. It's more than a backlink tool. At the enterprise level, Ahrefs provides advanced SEO analysis, competitor insights and content marketing support, but most teams get this wrong by skipping planning. Step 1. Perform site audits. Ahrefs identifies technical issues, broken links, and ranking problems. Most people get this wrong by ignoring recurring audits, leaving SEO issues unresolved. Step 2. Research keywords strategically. Enterprise Ahrefs allows deep keyword research, content gaps, and traffic analysis. The surprising truth is, poor keyword targeting wastes resources and reduces ROI. Step 3. Analyze competitors. Track backlink profiles, content strategies, and ranking trends. Without this, you miss opportunities to outperform competitors. Step 4. Monitor performance. Use dashboards to track organic traffic, keyword positions, and conversions. Teams that act on insights improve rankings and drive growth. The upside: proper Ahrefs Enterprise implementation can increase organic traffic by up to 35%, improve content strategy, and strengthen marketing ROI. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team can perform audits, target the right keywords, and act on competitive insights. For smaller teams, standard Ahrefs plans may be enough. Subscribe for tips to maximize enterprise SEO performance.